Alright guys, I'm gonna make this my Tuesday video of the week. Just a quick update. I've done a lot of work, some on and some off camera, but in the end I just want to get this out of the way because it's just been too busy. I did a lot of work on the Bondo. I did a lot of sanding, then I did a lot more sanding, a lot more Bondo, tried to work on getting the hood shaped better. I did some window regulator stuff, I think. Maybe that was last week, I don't know. But in the end, I put some epoxy primer on here, especially to cover the bare metal and the Bondo itself. And it's not perfect, but then I coated the whole truck in red oxide filler primer. And then I've been out here sanding it, 400 grit sandpaper. So I've been going at it quite a bit. So I wish I could say I was going to build my paint booth tomorrow, but it's going to be raining pretty much most of the day. So right now the goal is to get the paint booth set up on Wednesday. I still got a lot of taping to do. Everything's got to be washed and tack cloths before I do any painting, but yeah, it's looking good. It's somewhat one solid color and in a most ready state to be painted for the most part. So I will be taking this whole carport and making it my paint booth. So I have 200 foot of 4mm plastic wrap that I will be wrapping this whole thing in. So that is the general goal right now. So I'll be doing it from the inside. The reason I'm doing it from the inside is I have a more solid place to do it. So if you look here, everything kind of pushes out and is in different little areas on the outside, but on the inside all the corners match except for that one little spot over there. So it just gives me a little bit better area of taping to. That way I'm not dealing with contours. So these inside corners I'll use clamps as well. That way the corners themselves are clamped down pretty well. So it'll be a double thing. Mostly taped. I mean, no matter what I do, I'm still going to get air in here from the roof. But hopefully it won't be too Wednesday. And basically the idea will be to paint on Thursday. So that is now the current goal. That way, if we have any whoopsies, I will have Friday and or Saturday to wet sand and then come out and do another coat or two. So obviously this thing's not going to be perfect. It's a rat rod. I mean, there's a big indentation there. There's piece of issues there with the bottom of the door. There's crud everywhere. There's dents and dings everywhere. There's some on the roof. But yeah, all in all, I'm pretty happy and pretty excited. And I'm hoping to be able to actually record painting the truck. So, all right, peace.